Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the last few items that I made using the Dulce collection. As you guys know, I've been playing around with this collection. I made some memory dex cards, which by the way, all of them sold. I also made the bag toppers that I showed you guys on my latest video. These are still available, so if you're interested, definitely shoot me an email. And you guys, I made some altered little library cards using the Maggie Home ones that came from the confetti collection. And I created 2 of them, and this is what they look like. So I decorated them with a bunch of layers and ephemera and chipboard. I made some more of my little cotton candy embellishments. And I think they turned out super cute. Look, you guys, I think these little gold stickers from Jolie's Boutique go perfect with this collection. Just makes everything pop. I absolutely love it. So here's your little pocket that you can stuff little goodies in. That's what the back looks like. I added a little bow to the cotton candy, and this one I made a little mixture of the mint and the pink. And yeah, you guys, I made these 2. And then I also altered a clipboard. It's packaged up. I'm not going to take it out. But I did the tearing of the paper all the way through the top, through the bottom. I put a little piece of ephemera right here and a little puffy sticker. And I love how it turned out. And I made a little bag because I was going to do another, like a little kit set. If you guys know, I made one using the All Heart collection. So I was going to do a little kit making the little chipboard, some memory dex cards, the library cards, the bag toppers, and put it in here and possibly sell that. But we'll see how that goes. But yeah, you guys, those are my little altered library cards. A quick little video showing you guys what I did. It's super easy to do. All I did was either go over with the paper and cover everything on the card, and then just start adding embellishments on top of embellishments. Don't be afraid to hide stuff, you guys. It's okay. It just looks good at the end. And yeah, they turn out super cute, and you give them kind of like a little makeover. Here on this one, I did the tearing of the paper, but it's covered up so you can't really see it. But there are layers, kind of like the clipboard, on this paper, all stitched up. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.